Provide your on-premises file data with access to all AWS cloud services with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP. Imagine you could provide your on-premises data with access to all of the advanced AWS services such as analytics, AI and machine learning, and others. Well, now you can with FSx for ONTAP S3 access points. Replicate your data with a SnapMirror to the FSx for ONTAP file system, and now AWS services can access it as if it was stored on an S3 bucket. Let's see an easy way to implement that with NetApp Workload Factory. First, we'll replicate an on-premises volume to an FSx for ONTAP file system. Go to Storage and choose On-premises ONTAP. Choose your on-prem cluster name and click View. Choose the volume you wish to replicate to the cloud and click Replicate. Choose the destination region, an FSx for ONTAP file system. Give the destination volume a name and choose the replication use case. The use cases determine the destination tiering policy and replication intervals. We'll choose Custom and set the replication interval to daily. Click Create when done. Now we'll create an S3 access point for your destination volume to which we just replicated the data. Click on FSx for ONTAP. Click on the destination file system, go to the Volumes tab. Choose the destination volume and open the Settings menu. Go to Advanced Actions and choose Manage S3 Access Points. Click Create and attach S3 access point. In the pop-up, fill in the access point name and username. Click Create and attach. You can now go to the AWS console, copy the S3 access point alias, and then add its volume to any service you want. Provide your on-premises file data with access to all AWS cloud services with Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP.